everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be unboxing another £5 mystery box from Glossy Box. So I have picked up a few of these before. I absolutely love them. I think they're really good price. So as always, I'm going to get this unboxed, see what's in here, and then whether I think it's good value or not. So with all the Glossy Box mystery boxes, they are of course some of their previous month's boxes. So I always say, I think if you subscribe to the Glossy Box subscription service, then there obviously is a risk that you're going to receive a box that you have received before, but I don't subscribe to their monthly box, so I always love to pick up these mystery boxes, and for a £5 I don't really think you can go wrong. So first of all in here is the little booklet, and I don't want to have too much of a look in here just yet because all of the items are still safely packaged up. Okay, and the first item I pulled out of my Glossy Box mystery box is this here. So this is the 417, I don't know, minus 417 Serenity Legend Hydrating Dead Sea Bath Salt, and these are vegan as you can see on the front, and quite a good size packet. It's 100 grams. I think I'm going to get quite a few baths out of this, so it is quite a good sized packet of these bath salts. I do really like bath salts. They're definitely something that I do use in my baths. So just having a little look in the leaflet as well, it says that these salts will help enhance your skin's ability to retain moisture and assist in the renewal of skin cells, which minimises the inevitable signs of aging. So I like the sound that these are going to be moisturising as well, because so obviously with the cold weather it's just very easy for your skin to get a bit dry and tired. So looking forward to giving these a go. This is a deluxe mini and apparently is worth £2.17, very random, with the full size 500 grams being £10.24. Not a brand I've heard of before. I've never obviously used this specific product, but of course I've used bath salt. So yeah, really great little start to this Glossy Box. So I've just reached into the Glossy Box mystery box to pull out the second item, and this is something that I'm really excited about. So it is this little eyeshadow quad from Sofia and Mabel. And I really love the packaging. First of all, this floral packaging is just really pretty. And let's get this opened up. I'm not sure what the shades are going to be like. It's not a brand that I've heard of, so can't really give you any other impressions. So okay, there's this little quad here, very pretty, nice soft looking pinks. There's a bit more of a close-up, so quite a nice little range there. Very pretty looking shades. As I said, I've got no experience of the brand whatsoever, so I don't know how well these shades are going to work, what the pigmentation's like, whether the shimmers are nice and soft and buttery, but I will of course have to give it a go to find out. And looking on the back of the package, this is their Aphrodite palette, so very cute. And just looking in the booklet again, so this is actually a full-size product, and this small eyeshadow palette here retails for £25. So that in my opinion is quite pricey. I don't think if I saw this on the shelf in a shop or on a website that I would gravitate towards it for £25. I mean, don't get me wrong, the shades do look pretty. There's a nice little mix of mattes and shimmers, but £25 for 4 small shades from a brand that, as I said, I have no experience of or have no idea what their quality's like, I think is quite expensive. I mean, my opinion may change when I actually try the palettes out, but who knows. I will just give these shades a little swatch just to see what they look like. So that is all 4 shades swatched. So that light pink at the top is very light, and the shimmers are quite pretty. I do have to say, I did have to swirl my finger around in the pan quite a few times to get enough out. As you can see, I've got all on my fingers still here, but I will of course give the palette a go. The shades are pretty and they are definitely shades that I use. I do really like a kind of soft pink eyeshadow look. I just think for £25 it's probably a little bit on the steep side. Okay, and then just reaching back into the Glossy Box for the third item, and it is again another brand I've not heard of and also another product that I've never tried out, which seems quite exciting. So it's this little tube here from Feel Free. This is their Antioxidant Eye Contour Cream with hyaluronic acid, coffee, lemon and apple extracts. So it says the special formula with hyaluronic acid which helps to retain moisture, and then just apply small dabs and massage into the skin. It does say in the booklet this is actually a full size product. So this is a 20ml tube, so it is quite small. I appreciate for your eye area you don't need to use an awful lot of product, but there we go. And this actually RRPs for £4.77. Again, a very random price again. So it says here, this antioxidant eye contour cream hydrates the under eyes whilst also eliminating small lines around the eyes. The antioxidant eye contour cream is a dream. A combination of hard-working skincare ingredients including hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, lemon, mint and more. Also helps to balance skin tone and brighten your delicate under eye area. So hopefully, by the sounds of it, with this all being like natural ingredients, it is cruelty-free and vegan, I forgot to say, but hopefully this will work out quite nicely on my sensitive skin. It does all sound very natural and hopefully quite good, but of course I'll like give it a little test out before I go all in and put it all under both of my under eyes. But yes, interested to try this out. Always love to try out new brands and new products. I suppose that's the beauty of these sorts of boxes, that you get exposed to loads of different products and brands that you wouldn't necessarily have heard of or tried out before. So yeah, this one sounds really, really great and can't wait to give it a go. And then just reaching back into the Glossy Box Mystery Box, and the fourth item in here is this very, I don't know, eye-catching looking tube, and this is from Dwtn Paris, and it's actually a liquid blush. So it says here that it has, oh, I'm going to try and pronounce this, botanical extract of Marubium vulgare for your natural skin tone, and it just says they take a small amount and tap gently on your cheeks with fingertips for a natural effect. So let's open this up. Okay, it's like a little tube. I'm going to try and get a really tiny amount out. Okay, I've definitely got way too much out, but that's the kind of tone or shade that we're looking for. I've just rubbed it into my hand a bit more, and I think I've definitely put way too much on my hand. So I think I'd have to be really careful when putting this on my actual cheeks. I feel like with a cream blush, there's like no going back once you put it on your face. That's pretty much it. But haven't heard of this brand. I really like the packaging. I think it's like simple but quite eye-catching, which I do quite like. And then looking in the book, okay, wow, so this is actually a full-size product. This is 15ml tube. Again, it is vegan, which is really great, and this actually retails for £19.58. And again, I don't know who's worked out these prices, they're very random, but I think that does seem quite on the pricey side. Considering that eyeshadow palette was £25, I think comparing the two, the eyeshadow palette seems better value now that I've seen this. But this is formulated with 99% natural and totally vegan ingredients. The Dwtn Paris blush is the ideal product to enhance your cheeks, perfect for bringing a glowy touch to casual makeup or a sophisticated touch to your evening look. Again, take a small amount of the blush, pat along your cheekbones with your fingertips. So I definitely prefer a powder blush to a cream blush, but I do have to say I do quite like the tone of this one. I've just definitely put way too much of it on my hand, so I'd rather do that than accidentally put too much on my face first time that I used it. But I like that it's all natural ingredients. I think hopefully it won't cause any like irritation to my face, the fact that it's all natural, and yeah, just something else a bit interesting to try out. So just on to the final item now in this Glossy Box Mystery Box, and this is actually from a brand that I have heard of and tried out before, and this is this little tube from Ahava. So this is their Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. So I haven't actually tried out this product before, but I have tried out their Dead Sea Mineral Soap, which first of all smells absolutely gorgeous, and second of all is so nice on my skin. So really high hopes for this body lotion from Ahava. Just says here, pamper yourself with this body lotion for soft and smooth skin. Apply liberally morning and evening, and it is actually approved for sensitive skin, which is absolutely fantastic. Again, another vegan product. Smells so gorgeous and natural. I really do love the fragrance of this. It's different to the soap, but it smells really just natural and fresh. So it says here that this is a deluxe mini. This is 25ml and is worth £6.49, with the full size 250ml tube retailing for £24. So again, kind of on the pricey side. I probably wouldn't rush out to buy it at £24, but really great to try it out and use it, and again have some exposure to some different brands and products. So this says here, treat your body to a light but luxuriously rich body lotion made with nutrient-rich Dead Sea water, aloe vera and smoothing witch hazel. This best-selling formula is designed to lock in skin's moisture. With 21 essential minerals, including magnesium, calcium and potassium, in this body lotion, your skin will feel replenished and refreshingly hydrated after use. So yeah, really great. Love a lotion, love a hand cream, love anything that's going to make my skin not dry and feel all refreshed and replenished. So yeah, great little product here, and excited to try out something else from Ahava. So that was everything that I received in my Glossy Box Mystery Box. So I paid £5, yes, only £5 for this mystery box, and I've had a little add up of the RRPs for all of the items, and it comes to just over £58, which is very good value. And I think, although I don't necessarily agree that the eyeshadow palette's worth £25 or that the blush is worth nearly 20, the fact is all of these items are clearly worth more than £1 each, which is what the box works out as. And I'm really excited to try out the body lotion a bit more because I do really like the brand Ahava. I'm really excited for the bath salts because I do love a nice relaxing bath, and they sound really gorgeous, and it's a new brand for me to try. I will of course be really excited as well to try out the eyeshadow palettes and try and create some nice looks with that. So I think all in all, this is probably one of the best Glossy Box mystery boxes I've received, just for there being a really good variety of products. And sometimes there's like one or two things that I'm less fussed about, but I have to say I'm actually pretty excited about everything in here, which definitely makes a change. But do let me know if you have received this box or if you've tried out any of these products and what you thought, then, you know, just let me know. But as always, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.